Well, good morning. So, got the bean head here. We're going to put a new knife in it. And so we got to get the combine out, hook it up. We're going to wash that head. Obviously put the knife in like I just said. Hopefully going to winterize the sprayer today and get it ready. Maybe put the duals on the 6140R. A couple odds and ends. Harvest is coming quick. Our beans are turning. We're still about 2 weeks out, but these are jobs that need to get done. So let's get to her. So even though we have a power shut-off switch, this combine seems to always kill the battery. So we just installed a little battery tender and we just plug it in all the time. Not all the time. We're not in harvest. If it's gonna sit for a week, we'll plug it in. But if you use it every day, she's fine. Ooh, feels good. Nice and straight. Got her nice and tight in the wall. So we're going to drop the corn head in the corner of the shop. We'll leave it there for bean harvest, and then we'll pick her up later. So last year I put these jacks on, so I hate taking those on and off. So as you see, if you've watched for quite a while, you know I've tried out a few heads quite a couple years ago, but we're still gonna rock the 30 again this year. Other things take priority. A new bigger head is more of a want than a need. So and it's out. We're topping a couple of them. Okay. There we go. Good? Yep. 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 Oh, that was me, that was me. Go ahead. Good? Yep. 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 Sometimes you stop because you're getting punched. You're good. Yep. Yes, sir. back. Yep. Yep. All the way. Okay. There we are. Now we just got to tighten up all these babies and we're going to be good to go. New knife. And we just take a grinder just to kind of give it a sharp edge on all the guards. Help cut instead of buying all brand new ones. Tighten down and good. So we went and had lunch. We're back. I'm gonna wash this head, then we're gonna grease it, then we're gonna run it. We've already freewheeled it. That knife moves nice. It seems to be adjusted quite nicely. Owen's actually getting the sprayer rinsed out another couple times. Then we'll put some antifreeze in it, and then we'll just kind of go over this combine, make sure it's ready to go. Probably give it a quick grease again, and we got to get all the electronics in there, make sure it works, because there's nothing worse than first day problems. You go, you click any button and it doesn't work. So we'll do it today. Get it ready. Okay, we are as ready as we're going to be. My side box that I keep on the side of the combine, hence the side box. It's ready to go. I'll wait for Owen. We'll put it over there. Gonna get this sack on the header cart, and that will be all we got for the head. We'll pull this into the shop. It's supposed to rain. And you know, it's supposed to rain. Today's Friday. It's gonna rain Monday, Tuesday. So that looks like a good job for it in the shop. So we'll pull the combine in. Owen's washed the 6140 in the sprayer. We're gonna put antifreeze in it, get it winterized, and get it put away. Gotta start the old age. We just gotta back this up a little bit more. So it's easier than me back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Either way, we gotta start it, put it away. So, oh yeah. There she goes. Like that, we're on. Shop's full. Okay. So I think I was talking about putting the rest of the stuff in here today. I don't think that's gonna happen. We're just, today's getting away on us. And that is definitely better inside stuff if it is gonna rain. So if you've seen me do this before, we're just gonna run some RV antifreeze through that baby, and then she's winterized. So we'll just turn the pump on and we will just put that through the booms and run it through the system for a brief moment in time. When the rinser's on. And that's it, pulled her up, put her away for the season. Okay. Get my harness out of here. What's going on? Ah, yes, right. I forgot. Always one you forget. Do that for a second. Right here. Here we are. There we go. Come on. Okay, we are unhooked. I'm getting out of here. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm hot, sweaty. Gonna put this tractor away in. It's Friday. You guys have a good one. Like and subscribe. Peace. Have a good one.